एक ऐसी चीज जो आप बहुत मिस करोगे इस कॉलेज के बारे में।
पंकज सर की कहानियाँ।
Prestigious students of FMS IRM.
I think faculties are going to miss me a lot.
क्या ही। Hello ma'am, it's your farewell day. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling nervous because I have to leave this college. This will be the last day to celebrate as a student life. So
I'll miss my friends, the classroom, the environment, my faculty, everybody, juniors, be it everyone. Like every step has made me something into professional, and it has made me grow somewhere where I can see myself growing again in the future career.
That sounds really good. Other than that, what's the one day it was your best day in the college?
My best day would be when we came here as freshers because we were welcomed with a new environment. So I think that was my best day. The first day was the best day.
Other than that, who'll miss you a lot? You think who's your friend who'll miss you a lot?
I think faculties are going to miss me a lot. And apart from them, I think second would be my juniors.
We'll miss you a lot. We really love you.
We love you too. And then I think my friends would miss me a lot. Starting from college, I would say faculties, then juniors, and then my friends.
Okay, ma'am, that's all really nice of you. Have a great future ahead.
Thank you so much. Thank you. We love you.
Okay, ma'am, if I had to ask you one question, who's that particular friend who'll miss you a lot?
I will miss Anisha for sure because she is my savior at all my times. So yes, I miss her.
एंड अगर आपसे पूछा जाए कि एक बेस्ट डे जो आपका इस कॉलेज में था दोनों का पर्टिकुलरली व्हाट वुड बी दैट डे?
Miss Fresher. So my friend becomes Miss Fresher. That's
And of
special
course
day
that
for me.
marketing quiz.
Yes,
That
we
was
are the
great
winner as well.
experience of us.
Okay, that sounds good. So have a very good luck, ma'am. Have a great future ahead. Thank you for your interview.
Thank you.
It's your farewell today. How are you feeling today?
It's a great feeling to have. Today is our last day, and we are here to enjoy and party.
Sir, if I ask you particularly, what was your best day in this college?
I would say the orientation day. The first 3 days were the most beautiful day of this college. And this-
Thank you, sir. Thank you for having your time. अगर मैं पूछना चाहूँ particularly, what was your best day in this college?
जो मेंटोर मेंटी का ग्रुप बनता है वो बेस्ट है.
What do you feel about this college?
It's a very precious college.
How do you feel today?
I'm feeling very excited and also feeling that this is the last day of my college. But I have get many good memories from this college, and I'm very excited to celebrate this day.
Hello, ma'am. It's your farewell day. I would like to ask you a question. What's the one thing you'll miss about this institute?
आई थिंक मैं फ्रेंडशिप ज़्यादा मिस करूँगी क्योंकि यहाँ के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्टिव है, यहाँ के जो फैकल्टी मेंबर्स हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्टिव है, यहाँ का पूरा जो करिकुलम है वो बहुत अच्छा है और मुझे यहाँ पे सीखने को बहुत कुछ मिला, बहुत अच्छा लगा, मतलब सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा था। मेरी जर्नी बहुत अच्छी रही IRM के साथ और मैं पूरा 2 साल जो मैंने यहाँ पे बिताया मैं सब कुछ मिस करूँगी।
Okay, तो अगर कोई एक फ्रेंड का नाम लेना हो particularly, who would be?
जो मेरे साथ पूरे 2 साल तक रहा उस फ्रेंड का नाम तो अंशुल गुप्ता है, बट बाकी जो फ्रेंड्स थे वो भी बहुत अच्छे रहे, तो एक फ्रेंड के नाम लूँगी तो अंशुल गुप्ता।
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling like a very much mix of emotions, and like I never expected that, I never thought that I'm gonna miss this place, but I think I'm gonna actually do it.
Okay, since you have said that, what will you miss the most?
I'll basically miss the most will be my friends and the teachers over here and the events that we have had.
Okay, ma'am, wishing you a great day ahead. Have a good future. Hello, sir. It's your farewell day. How are you feeling today?
ग्रेट वंडरफुल फाइनली जर्नी खत्म हो रही है और अब हम कोऑपरेट में जाएंगे तो बहुत अच्छा है।
Okay, one thing you'll miss about the college, fortunately.
वन थिंग इज़ 9:30 आना, द बेस्ट थिंग, और 5 मिनट बाद एंट्री नहीं वो, और ऊपर नीचे चढ़ना उतरना, दैट्स द थिंग वी विल मिस।
Okay, one teacher you like the most, or mentor, anyone you can name.
माय मेंटर प्रभात सर, ही इज़ द वन जिसने गाइड किया स्टार्टिंग से, तो वही है सबसे बेस्ट।
Anything, any friend you'll miss a lot?
एनीथिंग, इट्स द एनवायरनमेंट जो इस कॉलेज का है।
Okay.
हमने 2 साल निकाले हैं यहाँ पे पूरे 9:30 बजे से 3:30 बजे तक, तो वही मिस करूँगा सब।
Any of your friend you'll miss a lot?
यस, बहुत सारा हमारा पूरा ग्रुप है 5 जनों का, तो वो सबको मिस करूँगा।
Okay, sir. It was nice talking to you. Have a great future ahead.
Thank you, ma'am.
What's the best day you have had in this college?
So my best day is every day I came to this college.
एक ऐसी चीज जो आप बहुत मिस करोगे इस कॉलेज के बारे में।
पंकज सर की कहानियाँ जो क्लास में सुनाते थे।
Okay, that sounds good. और कोई ऐसा फ्रेंड जिसे आप बहुत मिस करने वाले हो?
मेरे सभी दोस्तों को।
That sounds really good, sir. Have a good future ahead.
Thank you.
Hello, guys. It's your farewell today. How are you feeling?
It's
nice today. It's nice today.
And decoration is very good. We feel good.
Okay, so what's your worst day?
When my mentor don't sign on my CV on my Viva day.
And then you cry like, sir,
मैं पीजी में रहती हूँ, मुझसे कुछ नहीं होता
है, मैं क्या करूँ, कपड़े भी धोने पड़ते हैं. It's like
Okay, what about the college that you'll miss a lot?
बेहोश होना.
on the juniors fresher day.
Other than that, what's one thing you'll miss a lot?
Our friendship, as we spread now from tomorrow onwards, we don't able to meet.
That's a fact.
That's a
Okay.
Maybe without Vivor. Because Vivor के हमेशा बहाने होते हैं.
So we had the interview of the most notorious group of this college. Nice having you, sir. Nice having you, ma'am. Have a great future ahead.
Thank you.
Hello, guys. It's your favor. How are you feeling today? Feeling so sad.
enjoyable, enjoying. Fantastic.
Okay.
हम दूर जा रहे हैं इसलिए सेट.
Okay. So talking about this group, who's the one most notorious one?
Actually, she was admitted in ICU, as you know what happened, and taken her in your arms.
You are crying.
Other than that, who's the person in this group who's most in demand in the college?
Demand. पूजा.
डिमांड ही खत्म नहीं होती भाई.
लाइन ही खत्म नहीं होती कोई.
Who's the one who's in good books of teacher for you?
Vibhor Gupta. He's the one. He's the one.
Anything to say?
No, I don't know. Because he's the favorite. How can he say?
So he's the favorite one. What will you miss a lot about this college?
Our friendship.
Rural management. RM.
Anything else you would like to say? A goodbye, thank you, anything like that?
Thank you, and we will miss you.
Now Sanskar is not able to speak properly because his motivation comes in front of him. How can he speak anything? His motivation is always Salaam Alaikum.
Hello ma'am, how do you feel your students are having your favor today?
I'm speechless.
Thank you ma'am, thank you for having me.